Gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni wakathi ya mbunge ya kati kwa kila ukuwetakana kuvetanga kwa imwesi ya koti ila siendekethetwe yiri wano uneko munene kwa mwenethi wa vinya ya siandini wa Kenya kana nthi ya Kenya niende kwiyukilia itina wa kuno ula umanie na ivinda ya wa corona na mbua mbingi ila inatiye wanangiko yenda serikali nikamuvinye mwenethi muno mwenethi kumana na wongeleku wa koti nilivoti umbanitwe ni wa mwandikiti wa Mavoli na Mosangi.
Onena itina wachathe cha muvingo wa kambuni umengalikosea Lukenya sub-county ya Mavoko. Gavana wa Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni watungia memba makamiti ka finance bungeni akati muvea kwa kuthiana na kwa ilangia mutalatala wa finance bill ngilile miongole na inyangilile miongole na itano.
I want to take this opportunity to really thank the members of parliament because they have looked at the financial bill and they have removed some of the things that were really affecting Mwananchi. What I want to tell them, scrutinize it more. Yeah, scrutinize it more and make sure that our people are well taken care of.
Amama maundu alama ya kwisa movinya mwenenzi neva mwena kuongela ngodho kwa dhoa wa mukate tutaulo toa mwii enengale kuiva koti kila mwaka undu mwana sindu kivetheka nyo sindu ila siya vya iwa idheka kwesuo.
That is my concern.
Mwandu wa vinya ni waweta kumana na nzi ya Kenya kwitha iende na kukwata kava kumana na ukono wa kuwa ya corona undu mwana mbua ya kiwukingile na uye Nyo waitavena vata wako musovea mwenenzi kumana na garama ya yolo ya mekalile.
We are suffering. Kenyans are suffering. Number one, we just came from COVID, and then with the war going around the world, things are a bit tough. So let us make it a bit easy on our people in this country.
Tono wakule serikali ikidhenia kia mitalatala ilaya ile nokenda kuikidheka na wekezaji wende investors maina dhambi ya nzingi kumana wanaume wako otikuidha uyu ulova mana garama ya mekalile amama wekezaji ni mawe tutamavikieta udhamisa vya salasio nzemoto ya Tanzania.
What I would also want to ask is let us look at more incentives to give our investors so that they stop going to other countries. We have had some of our investors move to Tanzania, move to Rwanda, move to other places. Why should we allow them to do that? And I'm sure I've been in a few meetings with the president asking the investors what he can do for them. So I'm telling him now, I'm kindly asking him, it is high time what the investors have told us we do for them. We do for them so that they stop going outside this country. And we just thank God that we're having investors coming here every day. This is one of them. Is going to change the roofing in this country, relationship with us and the Chinese government. And I would want to applaud that and tell them we will continue working with them because Kenya is a place to invest. We have a long working relationship with them and we'll continue working with the Chinese government to ensure that our people get employment and also they partner with the local investors to build more factories in Kenya.
Guripota vlingwa mauvo Nelina Mosangi.